Question number 1, class number 12, class 12, chemistry P block elements. Hello, good afternoon students. Today we are going to solve previous year CBSE based question. An element A occupies group number 17 and period number 2 is the most electronegative element. Element A react with another element B which occupies group number 17 and period number 4 to give compound C. Compound C undergoes sp3 hybridization. Compound C undergoes sp3d2 hybridization and has octahedral structure. Identify A, B, C three compounds. This is the question asked. We have to find A, B, and C with the help of the clue given in the question. First, an element group number 17. Group number 17. Surely it is a halogen. Period number 2. Period number 2. First period starts with hydrogen and helium. Second period starts with period number 1. Hydrogen, helium. First period containing 2 elements. Second period lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. In between the lithium and after boron, before after beryllium and before boron, D block elements are there. It is group number 2. Period number 2, group number 17. Fluorine is the answer for this question. So group number 1 is hydrogen, beryllium. Group number 2, third to 13. Third to 13 will be D block elements. Third to 12 will be B block element. This is group number 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 15. So in this way we find that fluorine is the answer. Fluorine is the answer. Next one is, this is A. Next one is react with another element B having group number 17. This also group number 17 but period number 4. So we know that fluorine period number is equal to 2. Period number of fluorine is 2, 3, 4. 3 will be chlorine, 4 will be bromine. So we know that period number of 2 fluorine, 3 chlorine, 4 will be bromine. So we know that group number 17 is same group. Period number 4 is bromine. So B also find that. Third question, B, A and B react with A and B react to give compound which is sp3d2 hybridization and octahedral shape. This is the thing they are asking. Okay, now what is A? Fluorine, F2. What is B? Br2. Here 5F2 and Br2 gives BrF5. Why I am drawing this thing is because this is only octahedral structure. This is only octahedral structure and sp3 dehybridization. BrF5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Octahedral geometry. This is octahedral geometry. So this is the octahedral shape. So A fluorine, 5 molecule of fluorine, 2 molecule of bromine gives bromine pentafluoride. Now I am going to explain the concept again. Group number 17, period number 2 is fluorine, A. Group number 17, period number 4 is bromine. I explained. So A and B, they themselves react to give sp3d2 and octahedral structure compound. A we know that fluorine, B know that bromine. 5 molecules of bromine, 5 molecules of fluorine and 1 molecule of bromine, it will give 2BrF5. 2BrF5. This is the compound and the structure of this compound is this one. This is octahedral and it is sp3d2 hybridized compound. Abhi. Second question, an element A occupies group number 17 and period number 2 shows an anomalous behavior. A react with water forms mixture of B, C and D. B and C are allotropes. A also react with hydrogen violently even in dark to give an acid D. Identify A, B, C, D. This is the question. Now I am going to solve. We already know that the first question, group number 17 and period number 2 is fluorine. We already know from that. So it will react with water, fluorine, F2 plus H2O. 2H2O, 2F2 plus 2H2O gives O2, 4HF plus O2, and 3F2 plus 3H2O gives 6HF plus O3. So the compound O2, oxygen, is equal to B compound, and ozone is equal to C compound. Both are allotropes. What do you mean by allotrope? Allotrope means they have same chemical properties but they have different physical properties like density, molecular, density, melting point, boiling point, solubility, refractive index. All these three categories differ. For example, graphite and diamond are allotropes. Both are made up of carbon, but diamond is the hardest substance, but graphite is softer one. Density of diamond is far higher than the density of graphite. Melting point, boiling point of diamond is very high when compared to graphite. So that is the definition for allotropes. Now I am going to draw. The next question is this A compound react with hydrogen to give acid. This is the thing there. A is, we know that F2, hydrogen H2, it will give 2HF. Hydrogen fluoride. Hydrogen fluoride is a weak acid. Weak acid. What do you mean by weak acid? Strong acid means it is a one which readily furnishes hydrogen when dissolved in water. I am going to add the sulfuric acid or nitric acid or hydrochloric acid in water. It readily gives the hydrogen. Ka value depends upon how fast it gives hydrogen ion that we discussed in the previous part of the lesson. So strong acid is decided by this readiness of giving hydrogen in water. Weak acid is a one which slowly gives hydrogen in water. HF is a weak acid. Next one, A is equal to fluorine, B is equal to bromine, F2, Br2, C is equal to, B is equal to oxygen or bromine, oxygen, O2, C is equal to ozone, O3, and D is equal to HF, weak acid. So after finding the answer, you have to tabulate. This is answer. Solution. This one, answer is this one. This is an important 2-mark question. 2-mark question, CBSE 2-mark question. The question is, an element occupies group number 17 and period number 2 shows anomalous behavior. So that we know that period number 2, all the elements in the period number 2 are very small size, high electronegativity, absence of vacant d orbital, all those anomalous characters are there. With this clue, we identify that it is a fluorine. A react with water forms a mixture of B, C and D. B, C are allotropes. Allotropes means I told you, then also A also react with hydrogen. It will give even in the dark medium. So it is react in dark medium. It will give acid. So these are the terms related to this question. Thank you, students.